Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Are you guys facing issues to add Dogecoin on your Trust wallet? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Trust Wallet app on your mobile device. If you don't know how to download Trust Wallet app on your mobile device, then make sure to check out our guide on how to download it. Once you open up the app, now look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see this icon. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, now search for Dogecoin. Once you search for it, now enable the Dogecoin. Now go back to your screen where you can see your Dogecoin over here. Just simply tap on it. Now click on receipt. This will show your unique Dogecoin wallet address. Tap copy to save the address. Now head over to the platform where you have Dogecoin. This could be Binance, Coinbase or any other crypto wallet. Select send and paste the Dogecoin address you copied from Trust Wallet and enter the amount that you want to transfer. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna add Dogecoin into your Trust Wallet app. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.